Hey Freddie, my name is Susan. I work with Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. Saw that you were interested in a crew cab Z71 SLT. We do have a couple of GMCs crew cab. One's an SLE, one's an SLT. Have a Silverado. It's got the extended cab. So as you can see, Mr. Freddie, we have a huge inventory of used trucks from Chevrolet to GMC to Ford, crew cab, double cab. I want to personally invite you down so you can check out the inventory in person. Contact Susan at 706-453-2500. I look forward to hearing from you soon, Mr. Freddie. I hope you have a great afternoon.